Okay, if you get one of these like 99 to 2004 Beetles, Jettas, Volkswagen, whatever, with 1.8, and it won't idle. You already check your fuel pressure is okay, but it starts and stalls, and like with air leaks, four coats and stuff, you most likely have a bad PCV valve. Notice there's a PCV valve inside these hoses here. Check it out. There you go. See the PCV valve here? It should hold vacuum. It goes with these guys on the here, right here. Okay. It goes there, then it splits into these hoses and this one here. So you most likely have a PCV valve which is built into the pipe here. It goes into the pipe here. Okay, this should hold vacuum right here. When you apply vacuum, it should hold vacuum, okay?